What is going on, guys? George here with another video, and man, oh man, oh man, for those of you guys that have been keeping up on my Instagram know that we went to Ocotillo Wells last Saturday. It was fun, but things got a little too crazy. Most of us came back literally limping our way back because our trucks took a beating. We were jumping these things, we were just hauling through the desert. It was super fun, but man, I think I need to go long travel very soon. And the reason why I say that is because I was hanging out with three of my good friends, Daniel, Dimitri, Reese. All three guys all have long travel. So you can just imagine me, little Bucky over here, with mid-travel trying to keep up with these guys. It was nearly impossible, but I made it happen. I jumped the truck 6 times. That's why I ended up breaking it. These guys were just hauling ass. We were all just having a blast, but I think it's time to go long travel. I don't know how soon, but hopefully very soon. For now, I do have to deal with the consequences, which is a broken CV axle, bent spindle, and a few other things. But for now, we're gonna just take care of this. I'm gonna head on over to the shop, but that's gonna be another video. For now, I want to show you guys a little clip and a little taste of the experience that we had out there. Enough said. Enjoy. CV boot's pretty much done, but this is pretty much what caused the whole damage. Completely snapped. What is going on, guys? George with another video and another adventure video for you guys. We just made it out to Ocotillo Wells. Right behind me we have Daniel, seekoutbooty, hitting that dirt pretty hard, but we're gonna show you guys around. We're gonna do some adventuring. Enough said. Let's get to it.
Go on any whoops because everything's in my rear seat. Take out your camera. What's this? Where can we put it?
So our trucks, as you can see, are covered in mud or poop, whatever you want to call it. But hey, when we have chemical guys, quick detailer, this thing saves the day all day, every day. Okay, bro, clean your truck. So as you can see here, we are in the middle of nowhere, absolutely all desert, and we are just pretty much just kind of exploring. We're looking for a good place to jump the trucks. I know it sounds kind of crazy because I'm mid-travel, the rest of the guys are all long travel, but I'm willing if they're willing. So you guys ready for some solid jumps? Let's do it. Reese already broke his bed.
It's all good.
No biggie. Easy fix. So for my truck, we do have some damage as well for trying to jump it. Not looking so good. The fender itself is not even lining up with the pillar here, but it's all good. Let me show you guys a solid shot of me jumping the truck. Alright guys, so we have a little problem here. Big problem actually. My truck is Dunsco's. Dimitri's window, or rear window.
Yeah.
Dunsco's. And then we have Reese's purple machine over here. Also Dunsco's. Zip ties pretty much keeping everything together. The bed broke off. Tail light broke off. The only guy that didn't wheel hard enough to break anything was, you already know, Seekoutbooty. Alright, so as you saw, the boys removed the sway bar. CV boot's pretty much done, but this is pretty much what caused the whole damage. Completely snapped. It is what it is. Good times. So what do you guys think? Was it crazy or what? Let me know in the bio, but honestly guys, I love making these videos for you guys. That way you guys can just get a little glimpse of the type of fun that we have when we're out there. Hopefully this motivates you guys to get out and explore and just, you know, not necessarily wreck stuff or wreck your truck, break it, but just go out and enjoy nature. Honestly guys, these videos, I do them for myself. I want my grandkids and my kids to watch this and be like, man, that was crazy, but I also do them for you guys. So I hope you guys are enjoying these little trips. I'm gonna definitely try to make this happen more often. I do have to fix it first before we go on more trips, but thank you guys so much for always tuning in. If you guys want to keep up and keep watching videos like these, do me a favor, share them, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.